Cucumber diet and meal plan for weight loss. Firstly, cucumbers are low in calories and contain zero fat. These are two good factors enough to help you lose weight. Cucumbers have a superficial percentage of sugar, another factor that contributes to weight loss. Their water content helps keep you feeling full, so you're more likely to avoid snacking or overindulging in other unhealthy foods. Water also tends to flush out the toxins in your body, which is beneficial for all of your systems. By eating cucumbers regularly, you may be able to reduce the amount of medication that one typically needs because it's compatible with so many different kinds of condition. How does the cucumber diet work? The cucumber diet is a way of eating that can help you lose weight without counting calories or working out. The cucumber diet works by helping you lose weight and keep it off. The best part about this diet is that you won't even have to starve yourself. The main idea behind the cucumber diet is that the bacterial composition in your body will change, therefore shifting which types of foods, and consequently which types of bacteria are being used more than others. The cucumber diet works by gradually adjusting your body and bacteria to become more sour, resulting in less sugar in your system. What to eat during your cucumber diet? The diet involves eating mainly cucumbers, but with a twist. If you want to lose weight with this diet, you are totally allowed to eat the cucumbers in various forms. You can include them in salads for lunch and dinner, as snacks, and you can even make your own revitalizing cucumber juices for weight loss. Since cucumbers have a high water and protein content, they can keep your stomach full for a long period, thus preventing cravings of any kind. Cucumbers are made up of water. Actually, 90% of a cucumber consists of water, making them great for weight loss. Dieters can eat cucumbers as a side dish or as a snack. The high content of water in cucumbers make them amazingly refreshing to eat. Some people really binge on them during summer because of their reviving powers. It may seem like a small difference, but losing as much as 20 pounds can make a big difference on your overall health and well-being. Diet-wise, this may mean you'll be able to reduce or eliminate the need for medication like prescriptions for diabetes, asthma, high blood pressure, or other chronic medical conditions.